Hey guys, this is Richard from Debaru, and in this video I'm going to be walking you through the Advidi affiliate network. Okay, so Advidi are a network that you will see at pretty much any of the top affiliate conferences, events. You're gonna see somebody from Advidi attending. Like many reps and affiliate managers and many networks in general, they love to party a lot. So Advidi are really good when it comes to sort of personal connections. When I was in Amsterdam around a year ago or so, I met up with my affiliate manager. I actually went to their offices and I actually went for ice cream with my affiliate manager, where he let me in on a few of the insider information when it comes to, you know, running CPA campaigns and the stuff that he's seen. And that's the benefit of, you know, building some form of relationship with your affiliate manager. And Advidi are a network that are really good at that. In fact, I actually had lunch at their offices too. They have a really awesome chef who prepared a nice bit of grub, and I luckily enough ate some of that grub, which is awesome. By the way, grub is just food. I don't usually say grub, so I'm not sure why I'm saying grub right now, but it's just munchies, right? So in terms of their platform, as you can see, we are on the main Advidi website, Performance Marketing Network. So Advidi Future Ready. So Advidi, they are very much, you know, advanced affiliate network. I'd say, even just judging by the way that their website looks, it's quite a good looking site, and everything that Advidi does is quite sort of on trend, which gives you a good indication of the type of offers that they'll be running. They would obviously stay up to date with the most recent industry changes, which is a big benefit if you're an affiliate running with Advidi, because you can be sure that the offers that you're running are the best possible offers that you could run in whatever geo or whatever vertical that you're running. So as you can see, products and services, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a global industry that never stops evolving. We've been evolving with it since 2012. So they are around 7 years old, which for an affiliate network is fairly old. Whether you're an affiliate or an advertiser, we help you stay ahead with best in-class support services. One hand, I guess that's a spelling error. On one hand, we add value. You get advanced reports, exclusive offers, powerful creative, years of data, and more. The start of that sentence may not have been grammatically correct, but anyway, I'm not going to read the rest. You get the picture. They do affiliate marketing. So here we have, you know, a new era, a new look, a bigger vision, a greater understanding of our purpose. So they just recently done a big rebrand, which was quite a big change from their previous brand, and they have an awesome video which you can check out at advidi.com. That's advidi.com. So affiliates, if you want to sign up for Advidi, you just press sign up here, and this essentially will take you to their sign up page. As you can see, fill in your first name, fill in your last name, email, company name if you have one. As you can see, there's no asterisks, which indicates that it's not a required field. Date of birth, month, year, select messenger. So if you're an affiliate marketer, as I say in all of my videos, you need to get Skype. If you're an affiliate marketer and you don't have Skype, ask yourself one question: are you really an affiliate marketer? The reason why I say that is because the majority of business with affiliate marketing is done through Skype. I am on Skype 24/7, literally 24/7. I'm looking at my phone, which is in this corner, laying on the chair right next to me, and I have Skype dinging off non-stop. And that's because everyone in the industry lives on Skype when we are not at events or conferences or in our offices, just working, right? So make sure you have Skype. And with this form for Advidi, they have the option of Telegram, but I'd say you should have Skype anyway. So then you enter in your messenger ID, so your Skype ID, and then you fill in your phone number. I'm not going to go through those steps, but the next step would be, it says tell us about your business. So this is where they want to know a little bit more information around, you know, what sort of traffic sources you run, what verticals do you run, in terms of what, you know, do you do sweeps, do you do insurance, do you do e-com, that sort of thing, COD. They want to know all that juicy information so they can understand what type of offers that, you know, will be most suitable for you, and also what sort of geos will be most suitable for you. They also want to know what level of experience do you have with affiliate marketing. So usually affiliate networks judge that by revenue. So are you an affiliate that's under $1,000 a month? Are you around the $10,000 a month mark? Are you sort of $50,000? Are you $100,000? Or are you more? In most cases, if you're doing more than 100K, you probably are not going to be working directly with a network. You probably will be working directly with advertisers. But they want to know all of that information so that they can understand how to best do business with you. Then you have your address, and then you have payment info. I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but those are the next steps after tell us about your business. And yeah, and then you sign up, and depending on your application, you may have a follow-up conversation with an Advidi affiliate manager where they may ask you a few more questions, and then if you're successful, you'll be onboarded onto the platform and you'll have your Advidi account. So we're gonna now take a look inside of what it looks like if you're an affiliate for Advidi. So as you can see here, we have our dummy account. We've ran some traffic with this account, as you can see, 40K. And yeah, so this is where you have your overview of all the different offers that you're currently running. So this is called a campaign summary. As you can see, campaign, you can see price, clicks, conversions, and then converted revenue, right? So we have revenue and converted revenue. And you may be wondering, what is converted revenue? Why do I have revenue and then converted revenue? So essentially, converted revenue is the revenue that has been almost verified and approved by the affiliate network. So when you're running traffic, you may have revenue that may be duplicate leads, it may be unqualified leads, and all of this is taken into consideration when it comes to your converted revenue, which you are going to be paid for. So that just displays that in this screen, so you have a good, very clear overview. Then we have our sort of creative summary, which would be most likely the landers, documents, and this is your bills. So this area is bills, and it's quite useful if you you know, need to extract some information for maybe your accountant or your finance team. Just go ahead there, click on one of those, and then you should be able to download you know, more information on that payment and that payout, which you can then reference with your accountant, and you can consolidate those finances. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and look at some of the offers that you can run with Advidi. So let's take a look. So let that load up. Okay, so we can see a ton of offers already. If I look in the bottom right hand corner, I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but there are 3,684 offers within the Advidi network. So they have a ton of offers that you can run. So let's have a look at, let's see their diet and weight loss offers. Let's take a look at those. Okay, so we have some COD offers, quite a few COD, some pay per sale, some trial offers too. Awesome. And quite a wide range of geos as well. We can see there's Australia, Canada, Germany, Spain, France, Ireland, Italy, New Zealand. And yeah, another thing is that, you know, if you're an affiliate marketer, make sure that you understand all the different abbreviations for the geos, because you need to understand that, otherwise you'll be completely confused when you're inside your network and you just see all these letters. So you want to know what abbreviation represents what geo, and the geo is the country. But yeah, there's quite a lot of offers that Advidi run in terms of the sort of the Nutra space. And let's have a look at the lead gen offers. So the sweepstake lead gen. Okay, so there's a ton of lead gen offers. We're seeing 1,215 lead gen. And the way that the platform works is quite easy to use. So they have this sort of filtering system for the different sort of verticals, all these different verticals of CPA. And then they have this for status. So we can see all the offers that are currently active, which have been approved by selecting that. and then you can segment the list of offers by pending. So let's say you put in a request or you've applied to run a particular offer. You can see which ones are still pending, and you can then reach out to your affiliate manager to ask them, you know, what might be going on if it's been a while. But that way you can easily segment a ton of offers very quickly, which is awesome. And then all media types. So media will be essentially your ways of acquiring the traffic. So they have search, paid search, social, mobile, all the standard stuff, which is awesome. And then they have all the bunch of geos that you could be running. So whatever particular geo you want to run, you can just enter that in, and it will only display the offers in that particular geo, as standard with other networks, which is cool. Let's have a look. So by the way, if you don't know this system or this display, Advidi, they use the Cake platform. So from network to network, you may find networks that look similar to Advidi in terms of how the system works with all the offers, etc. And that's because they will be using a backend software called Cake, which a ton of different networks use. And some networks use has offers, and some even have their own custom sort of technology behind how they have their affiliate offers displayed, etc., which is all good. So this is the report. So this is where we're going to see all our statistics, which is awesome. It's pretty cool. So campaign summary, where we'll see all of our campaigns. Creative summary, all the creatives we're using. Conversion report. So this will list out all the conversions we've had, and it will tell us about the return. So if there's any conversions that didn't go through, it will display that as well, which is awesome. And then this is where we can view all of our click data and figure out what's going on with our clicks on an individual basis. Probably not something you'd be doing if you're running lead gen and you're going to be getting thousands upon thousands of clicks. But if you're running offers that are potentially of higher value, then you most likely will be getting lower amounts of clicks, so higher chance you may want to look at the data in more detail in the dashboard. Here there's account info. I'm not going to go through that. That's just the standard stuff that you'd probably input when you apply, plus your payment information. And then yeah, that's pretty much it. And they have the alerts part. So alerts is pretty cool, because if you're running the alerts and if you have this set up, let's say you have an offer approaching its conversion cap. Let's say the conversion cap is around 100 conversions and it's approaching that, you'll get an email notification sent to you to let you know, that you should be prepared, because if you send any more conversions to this offer, you will not get paid for it. So the best thing for you to do have already is, with your tracker, have a redirect set up to another offer, very similar offer, potentially maybe within the same network or with a different network, and you can then rotate. So as soon as the offer reaches its cap, you can automatically transfer that traffic to the new offer and you don't lose a penny. So that's the smartest way of doing things. But this provides you an extra notification just in case, and if you don't have that anyway. So yeah, this is the Advidi tutorial. I hope you found this helpful. I'm going to be making more and more content in a similar fashion, and in a couple of weeks time I will be making some more videos around the campaigns that I run, which is within the COD vertical. So thanks very much. Make sure you subscribe, and yeah, I look forward to seeing you in the next video.
Allow me to introduce the Dijs University Forum. Whether you are trying to make your first conversion on ClickBank or scale your campaigns to 6 figures, the Dijs University Forum offers you exactly what you need, like high-quality landing page templates, detailed case studies, and exclusive discounts. The forum has no outdated information. All resources inside are from campaigns that are running right now. Do you want to learn from super affiliates? Check the link in the description and sign up today.